Chris 6 News at 10 continues.
Welcome back. If you've ever had to stay in the hospital, you know firsthand the experience can be overwhelming. Now imagine what that's like for a child. At Driscoll Children's Hospital, there are specialists who focus on making sure little ones know more about why they're there and even provide a little bit of fun. Chris 6 News reporter Sylvia Martinez has more.
Everybody knows me here, so it's fun to be here every time I come here.
And 10-year-old Braden Martinez has been here quite a bit. At the age of 2, he was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia, cancer of the blood. He was in remission, but the cancer came back.
I just stay here maybe a couple months because I got really sick during the winter time.
2 weeks before Hurricane Harvey, it came back.
And when it came back, Braden had to call Driscoll Children's Hospital home again for a few months.
He couldn't control his bodily functions, so we had to work with him, and we all took turns staying with him. And
that's where child life specialists like Mary Carol Thornton come in. They help young patients understand the treatments they're receiving and make the hospital a less scary place.
You have an 18-month-old who doesn't want the medical staff to come in, and you take them some bubbles and a toy, and they tend to relax a little bit and be a little bit more comfortable.
Help them to have some fun when they're here because it's such a stressful time.
Volunteers like Penny Parker help the child life specialists.
There's times when it's really hard to lift their spirits at all, and that's hard. When they're in pain and going through a really tough time of their treatment or whatever, it's hard to see them that way.
Volunteers sit with a child and maybe read a story or play a game.
Just make everything a little bit more comfortable and bring a little smile to their face.
We really are, it's kind of like we're their hospital friends. We help them navigate the hospital world.
They're fun. I always like to hang out with them.
This is the hospital to go to because they treat you like family here. And that's really important for him because as soon as he comes in, everybody's like, Braden, you know, so everybody knows and they're hugging him.
Their hugs are something Braden looks forward to when he comes in for his bi-weekly checkups. He knows his hospital friends will be there with their arms wide open. Sylvia Martinez, Chris 6 News.